All right. Happy 21st of January. This is a review of TraderSync for the week of trading. Right here, if you look in calendar view, good start to January. As far as consistency, I'm hoping to size up this year so you can see this week at the 15th, this most recent week. We had a total 148 trades, 1984 net profits. It was pretty light performance until the very last day. I actually thought it was going to be a smaller week than my previous weeks. Then on the last day, my virtual assistant pulled a little trick out of his hat. Well, actually, he was pretty much following my protocol for opening range breakout trade and took SMCI. A lot of traders made some good cash on this one. Let me find the trade here. This was an opening range breakout and gapped up on some guidance, all semiconductor stocks and fiber optics, other chip-related stocks were up quite a bit, and just based on SMCI outlook. And I took this in a 2-minute breakout, and actually the virtual assistant took this trade and immediately went from about less than $35 all the way to $40. So quick 15 to 20% there. And then try to hold some for the rest of the day, half for the rest of the day. So that was the best trade of the week. Really enjoy tracking in the software. So if we go to the evaluator, it's fun to look at the different strategies and how they're performing. So this is the month of January. This is my equity curve. You can see some ups and downs, and then it was flat this week, and then finally break out with the end of the week trade. But performance is pretty steady, pretty consistent. I don't see any big drawdowns in here. So for about 5K in realized profits, we have a max drawdown of only about $500-$600. So 15% on that equity curve at max. So I think we have some room to move up here in size. I have room in the account as well to risk more. So I'm going to be doing that going forward in February. Looking at individual strategies, I've definitely made a lot more trades on scalping. So I go to setups here. We can look at the individual equity curve for scalps, which is 19% of my profits for the month. And this curve even looks a little better than the last one you saw. And this is me essentially getting in and out of positions in only a few minutes, looking for surge of volume, price action, buying that micro pullback, and then looking for a quick new high or a return to the highs, and vice versa for shorts. So I think the profit loss ratio on this one is about 1.77 or so, versus my overall profit ratio right now on all strategies combined is about 1.92, and that should converge to a lower rate over time. I'm usually around 1.6. So I'm definitely gonna have to size up to get the higher profits in February. I have to definitely keep that in mind. But scalp's great equity curve. I also like this shorting equity curve. This is I'm only looking at small caps and just trying to play the momentum to the short side. That one's looking really good. This is a box breakout swing type strategy. This is looking okay. Profit to losses are not quite as high. This equity curve is a little more swingy back and forth. These are 2 to 3 day holds, but still happy with that performance. And I really love this one for high RSI. So I have an automated bot that does a short trade when RSI gets over about 90 for the natural gas ETF BOIL. And that one's been pretty consistent. I did the back test over the last year or two, and it's even this good. It's at like a 4-to-1 and higher profit loss ratio. So I should probably throw more money at that one, or at least try to find some more higher RSI strategies that I can take advantage of. And so yeah, that's a quick overview for January. I'm really hoping that I can average. No, it's not a great idea to get numbers in your mind, but my goal is to average $300 per day. Clear filter, $300 per day for this month, and I'm already at I don't know, 5,000 divided by, this was Martin Luther King Day. It wasn't really a trading day. I'm probably at 13. I'm probably at like closer to 340, 350 per day. February, I'd like to get to $400 per day average or higher, and then up 100 every day. So that by the end of the year is pretty much a full-time income. So that's it for this week. Hope you have a great week of the markets for the 22nd, and I'll see you next week.